I just received my PCGS submission, and all the coins are cleaned, and one of them is smooth. It's basically damaged. And you won't believe that one, what grade they put on that one. You got to see that one. So anyways, they're all clean. I used my 4 vouchers for these for that reason. These were all in a typeset, and one of them I don't agree with, but let's just take a look at them. My name is Daniel, and you're watching Coin Help You. Here's my website, portsmouthcoinshop.com, for my coin shop. Here we have auctions up for you to take a look at. Also, here's our help community. Register for free right here. This is the only thing you click to register for free. And you can post a coin if you have a question. So here's the first one. This is the one that I don't agree with being cleaned. Now, I think the reason is because of the toning. Now, I didn't do anything to these coins. I didn't feel like I warranted. I agree with all of these except this one. And then I don't agree with the details grade, even though I don't agree with the details grade on the last coin. You won't believe this one. You'll see what I'm talking about when I show you. So first off, let's look at this 1865 3-cent nickel. It was cleaned unk details. It does have a die clash, which is very typical for these. Doesn't add any value to it, but this is the coin that they labeled unk details. Try to go in different directions here. Take a real good look at it. This is how you would grade a coin like this. You'd probably use at least, 5x magnification on this because it's so small. One of the smaller US coins. And you would just turn it into light and try to grade this and use the light reflections, hold it at an angle, and see if you can see any lines, any clean lines on the coin. And I don't see anything, not anything harsh. So maybe it was dipped and just toned from the dip, or was it rinsed properly? I just didn't see. I could put the light over it, and I just don't see any lines or anything that hints at being cleaned except for the patina. The patina is a little bit off possibly, and maybe I needed to use acetone on it. Maybe that was the thing. Maybe I should send it in for restoration. Maybe that would give it a straight grade. Don't know. But it is a very nice coin, and I thought, it should grade 64, MS64. Then we have these. Now, these 2 Flying Eagle cents, I knew that they had a little bit of a patina on them that hinted at probably being messed with, but nothing harsh. They're still nice-looking coins, and I mean really nice-looking coins. This is an 1857. This is unk details. Now, Flying Eagles and uncirculated are very beautiful coins. And this is no exception. But look at that. You can see the streak across on there. I was afraid that they would do that. You can also see a little darker area. These might warrant a restoration. I don't know. Maybe that's what it needs. But we can look at this in the light as well. Shine the light across it. You can see where there's areas like a halo, which doesn't always mean a coin's clean, but it does usually mean something happened to the coin. And that's why they labeled it that way. But man, I'll tell you what, look at the details. That is it is beautiful. And here's the reverse. I mean, this is worthy of most typesets unless you like problem-free coins. Because there's just no clean lines on them, so it has to be just the patina. Maybe there's something on the surfaces. Because like I said, I didn't mess with these at all. I don't mess with copper. Don't recommend it. So anyways, here's another one. So here's the 1858. This is cleaned, extra fine details. Still a really nice coin, but also it has that odd looking toning on it. There's just not any clean lines on them. Nothing harsh was visited on these coin surfaces that I can see. So you go across it with the light, and you should be able to see anything if there is any lines. I don't see anything. All it takes is a really small area on a coin for the whole coin to be labeled as cleaned. But this is a very nice extra fine. It's still a really nice coin. Then here's this one. I don't agree with the extra fine details. I do agree with the surfaces being smooth. I knew it was going to be a problem coin, but I was thinking it would get AU details. So this is the most lustrous, nice looking extra fine you'll ever see, regardless of it being smoothed and messed with. I mean, how do you get that much luster in an extra fine? Down here at the bottom, you can see where it was messed with. So we know it had issues. I guess they're trying to say that the surface was smoothed. Maybe that's the reason why it looks so shiny. I don't know, man. It looks like it has mint luster for AU. I don't know. Like I said, everybody can give me their opinion. The reverse almost looks unk. I just don't see how you can put extra fine on it regardless of what someone did to it. I've just never seen an extra fine mint luster up so much. I mean, I just haven't. I mean, look at this. The details. It's actually a really beautiful coin despite what's wrong with it. I mean, it really is. It's got the eye appeal. So like I said, those came from a typeset. I used my 4 vouchers. So, because I figured there was going to be some problems with these. I was just hoping that the 3 cent would be okay. And maybe one of the Flying Eagles would be all right. And then, of course, not to get the AU on the extra fine seated quarter. It's a little, I don't know. I don't agree with it, but it's a little odd. I was kind of surprised at that. But anyways, thanks for watching my latest video. Let me know what you think in the comments. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.